my name is Rod Goodman, and I want to congratulate you on receiving this offer to participate in this revolutionary new online income generating system. By virtue of receiving this video, you are being invited to join in the pre-release of an exciting new software system that is being launched with $1 billion company. The company was recently featured in Inc. 500 magazine as the fastest growing company of its kind. In fact, it reached $1 billion in sales in just 3.5 years, faster than almost any other U.S. company in existence. What does this mean for you? Well, for many of those that position themselves in front of the company's tremendous growth, thousands achieved financial independence, and many millionaires were created in a very short period of time. Now, with the launch of this powerful new online system, the second wave is about to begin, and you are being given an opportunity to position yourself in front of that wave and take advantage of the tremendous growth that's about to take place again. The company is called Monavie, and the system is being brought to you by Black Diamond Builder. Black Diamond Builder has been developing online systems for the past 10 years. Every time they've launched a system, they've enrolled at least 30,000 members in the first 90 days. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what is this system and why is it so powerful? Basically, it's an interactive movie that invites, presents, sells, qualifies, trains, and duplicates success for you. All you have to do is type a name and send an email, and the system will take over from there. It literally will do most of the work for you, helping you build a large network and creating a fortune online. Here's a glimpse of what the system will do.
Welcome. My name is Jen, and I will be your guide throughout this presentation. In this section, I'm going to introduce you to the company behind this rewarding online-based business opportunity and all the benefits you can expect to receive should you decide to get involved. But first, I want to clearly establish what this opportunity is not. This is not going to be another job where you get paid to work by the hour or to be paid a weekly or monthly salary. Nor is this a franchise opportunity where you are going to be asked for a large sum of money to get started. Nor is this a traditional business like a retail store where you would need to lease an office, buy a phone system, sign contracts, get a CPA, purchase inventory, and oh yeah, employees. And most importantly, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or one of those questionable money-making offers that plague the internet, promising you riches without having to do any work. As I mentioned in the intro, this is a real and honest opportunity for just about anyone who would like to benefit from a proven online-based business that has already changed the lives of thousands of people around the world, and you could be next. So let me introduce you to Monavie. Imagine being able to work with one of the fastest-growing billion-dollar companies in existence. A global company that is debt-free, rock-solid, and headed up by an experienced world-class management team that has a strong passion for their distributors. Imagine being able to share in the success of a company that is quickly becoming a household name around the globe thanks to its significant exposure in the world of sports, becoming the official juice of the Boston Red Sox and the official energy drink of the Los Angeles Angels, and through the endorsements of many other professional athletes. So now that you know you need a system for success, let me introduce you to the opportunity this Black Diamond Builder system was designed for. It all began January 2005. Some of the world's brightest minds came together to create an opportunity unlike anything you have ever seen before. An opportunity to empower anyone, anywhere, to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. At first, there were many skeptics. Many doubted them. Many didn't think they could make it. But their vision, passion, commitment, and success proved everyone wrong. How well did they do? Well, just 4 years later, they built $1 billion empire, faster than Microsoft, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, faster than almost any other U.S. company in existence. In fact, Inc. magazine recently named it the #1 fastest growing company in its category. So how did they do it? Well, that's why you've been invited here.
Now that you've had a peek at what the system will do, here's what you need to do to get in position and participate in the beta launch of this incredible system. First, you need to enroll in Monavie. Then you'll need to activate your business with an initial product order. Altogether, it'll be about $300 to be completely set up. At this point, we will show you how to use the system to find 2 other people to join you and achieve the rank of Diamond Executive in Monavie in less than 90 days. The average Diamond Executive in Monavie earns over $200,000 a year. Just think, you could be 90 days away from changing your life forever. And as an additional bonus, all those that achieve the rank of Diamond Executive by May 2010 will receive an all-expense paid trip for 2 to the fabulous 5-star Grand Wailea Resort in Maui this year. Just think, for less than the cost of a weekend getaway, you could launch a business that in the next 90 days could pay you over $200,000 a year. Remember, opportunity is never lost. It just gets passed on to someone else. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.